Hey, I'm Bry Cox, BryCoxWorkshops.com. I'm coming to California, and I'm doing a two-day event in the LA area, the city of Santa Ana, at the California Center for Digital Arts. It's February 22nd, 23rd. It's coming right up, and this is going to be a fantastic two different events on 2 different days. Hopefully come to both of them. So the first one, the evening event on the 22nd, is going to be the psychology of pricing and psychology of sales. So it's a combination of some bigger programs. I'm going to condense it down into just kind of the best of just some really hard-hitting information that you can really take and take home and start using immediately. And this is stuff on how to price yourself better and hopefully charge more, and also how to, right, kind of on one hand in your own brain see yourself as worth more, but also how to get your price menu and see the relationships between products and items appropriately so that when you present this to clients, they also, in their mind, perceive you as worth more. Right now we've got a gazillion photographers really everywhere. I'm sure it's no different where you live, and everyone's trying to undercut everybody else. And the trick is, instead of constantly trying to do more work for less, let's get paid what we're worth. And that's what this program is going to be on, is the psychology of pricing, psychology of sales. It's going to be really powerful. And then the next day, February 23rd, we're doing an all-day event that I call the Celebrity Style Imaging. Celebrity Style Imaging is a trademark name of my studio here, but and this program is very specifically is how do I just get great results from a client. And we're going to go through an entire shoot. And it's basically, if you've been to West Coast School, this is going to be my entire West Coast School condensed into a day. So if you're thinking of coming to West Coast, or you can't even come, or you're debating, whatever, or you just want to come and get as much information you can, that's what this event is. It's going to be a full day of the full system, when I break it into 3 parts. So the first part is the photo shoot, and it's getting everything amazing in camera. And I mean amazing without excuse. That's like perfect color, perfect lighting, perfect everything, exposure, nailing everything, getting great expression, getting people to open up and love the camera. You know, the old 80s, love the camera, love the camera. How do you get people to do that? How do you get people to just open up? That's the first section, is getting great stuff, shooting less, but getting more variety, right? It's paradoxical, I know, but that's what we're going to talk about. The next section then is the workflow, digital workflow. I'm an Adobe evangelist. I get early copies of stuff. I've worked with the software for, I can't even tell you how many years. And what I'm going to show you is how to really be ninja fast in your workflow. Part of that comes from that first section, right? If I'm shooting less, but I'm shooting amazingly well on the camera, it means I could really just sell walking right into my sales room. I don't have to worry about fixing things or polishing things. They just look amazing. And so I can immediately go into my sales room if I wanted, or I could take some time, whatever. But I should be that good. And that's going to speed up my workflow a lot. But then from there, we're going to talk about really, really efficient ways of culling, sorting, picking your favorites, working things up. And all of this has the goal of the sale. So the information we talked about that evening before, but also we're going to work some of that into the day program as well, is how do I charge more and make more, and how does all of this point towards a great sale? And that's what we're going to be talking about. It's a jam-packed full day. I hope you can make it. The website is the California Center for Digital Arts, and I've got a link right here on my website, and there's a link on the California Center for Digital Arts' website for registration. My website just links over to there, so you can find it easily. But I hope you can come February 22nd, 23rd. It is coming right up. I hope to see you there. All right, you guys, and until next time, America.